Hey y'all, it's Brandon. And unless you live in an apartment, you're going to deal with a hose pipe, a garden hose, whatever you call it, wherever you're at. The thing that water runs through from the house to whatever you're doing. Whether you're watering your dogs or your garden or washing your car, you're going to have these things. Now, first of all, don't get cheap ones, all right? Spend some money on your hose pipe. Because you're better off in the long run. You won't get kinks in it, but eventually you're going to get a hole in it somehow. We got a hole in ours because we got it too close to a bored dog and got a little hole in it. So I'm going to show you how to fix one real quick. Everything we need for our repair, we need a hose with a hole in it. You need a knife. You need I get the male and female coupler. I don't get a straight just repair coupler because that way it makes more sense. It costs about the same, and then some better gaskets for that. Now let's cut out the damaged part. I need to sharpen that. Let's see which one this is. There we go. You know, you do these male and female couplers, you get it to where, there you go, that screws in there. Messing around. You know, I'm going to need a thinner screwdriver. It's a very small straight slot. Go. You're gonna force this in as far as you can. Then pretty self-explanatory. Just go over the outside and screws together. Both sides started there. Come on, line up. This is harder to do and keep in frame than I thought it would be. There we go. It's really pretty self-explanatory once you get the daggum package. If you know, have half a brain at all. One thing I would recommend, these little gaskets that come in here are crap. You're going to be running a lot of hoses. Keep a thing of gaskets around, because it beats having leaks everywhere. Trying to keep this even clamped. All right, it's outside. Okay. Okay, now we just got to turn it on and see if it leaks. Okay, it's on and no leaks, so that is a success. Well, that's it. That's all there is to it. About 5 minutes and a couple of dollars in parts, and we've saved the hose pipe. Actually made it more versatile by making it to where I can separate it at will. So don't throw things away like that. If you buy good quality hose pipes, they'll last you years. We've got this one's fairly new, this black hose, but we've got a couple of big red heavy hoses that they're 10 years old. And you know, I mean, we paid about $40 a piece for them, but they're 10 years old. They're heavy, but they will last forever. The smaller hoses, which we used to have a lot of them, the ones that are actually a little green, and you know, when you hold them, they kink. Don't get those. Get good hoses and take care of them, and they'll last you a lifetime. Well, they might not last you a lifetime, but they'll last you a lot longer. You will get that money you put into them out of them. You know, go to a big store or order them or something. Don't get a dollar store hose pipe. All right. Anyway, hope y'all got something out of this. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to the channel, and y'all behave yourselves.